John here, 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. Guys, I cannot wait. Let's get started. I've already laid down some oil, guys, some canola oil. Let's go over some of the ingredients here. We're going to have some hash browns, all right? We're going to have sausage, big old sausage patty there, and 2 strips of thick cut bacon. 2 pieces of Monterey Jack cheddar, and ciabatta bun. And then we're going to have 2 eggs that are scrambled, and then a fried egg on top of that. And we're going to season the hash browns with Heaven Made products. It's incredible, guys. If you've not tried this, get you some. I'll leave a link down below to them. It's great stuff, guys. Okay. All right, so let's get our hash browns on, guys. I want to try to leave these as squared up as I can. Ow. I'll let those do that. I'm going to go ahead and throw a little bit of It's Incredible on there. All right, while those are going, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this sausage on there. Sausage patty there. I'm going to wait on this bacon, guys, because the bacon will get done before the sausage will. All right, so I'm going to let these 2 go, and then I'll bring you back here in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and see if we can't give, those hash browns aren't there just quite yet. I am going to go ahead, look at that crust on there. Look at that crust on that sausage, you guys. It's good stuff right there. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this hash brown squared up as much as I can, but I got a feeling we ain't going to get it that way. That's all right, though. Beautiful crust on the hash browns. Sausage is going. I am going to hit these browns on this side. Just a little bit of It's Incredible on there. There we go. Alright, so those are going, that's going. I'm going to go ahead and get the bacon on, guys. Like I said, it's just thick cut bacon. Using 2 strips. Hash browns are getting happy. Our sausage is getting happy. Bacon's starting to get happy. Alrighty. I'm going to let this continue to go for a little bit longer, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to get the eggs on, alright? Bacon pulled off. I got this side turned off with the hash browns. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to throw our ciabatta rolls on here. Just going to give that a nice little press down. So, same way there. Okay, just to kind of get that nice and toasted going on. All right, cool. So we got that going. Let's get our eggs going, guys. All right, we're going to do, like I said, 2 scrambled ones. And just clear that off a little bit.
You know, probably wondering, you just switch that scrambled all up. Well, it's kind of the point. I wanted to try to get a certain way, but we're going to go with that for just a second. Give it a nice little flip. This won't take long. Now we're going to do our fried egg here in just a second. Oh yeah, that scramble's coming along nicely. honestly, it's almost there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it there. So I'm gonna let it fold right like that. And I'm just gonna kind of let it.
I'm gonna set it over here on this plate. There. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and crack our egg. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh well, you guys seen it here. It ain't always perfect. All right, I got our fried egg going there. Oh man, I busted the yolk, you guys. Dag nabbit. Man, oh man, I busted the yolk. Dadgummit, guys. Think I could salvage it some, but nope, there it goes. Dagnummit, guys. Oh well. I wanted a fried egg and a scrambled egg, but it looks like I'm going to get 2 scrambled eggs out of it instead. Sandwich built now. So we got our bun right there. Now we're going to get our cheese and lay our cheese on there. Alright. So we got our cheese on there. Got our. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our hash browns here. Well, I'm going to try to get our hash browns here. There we go. The hash browns kind of drape over the sandwich a tad, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. Alright, so now we're going to get our bacon on here. I'm just going to lay the bacon right there like that. I'm not going to split it in half. I'm just going to lay the bacon right on in there. Now I'm going to take our sausage here and just kind of place it in the middle. Now I'm going to take our scrambled egg, lay it right there. This is not a healthy sandwich by any means, guys. Okay. And then I'm going to get our other slice of cheese here. Lay that on top of there. And I'm going to get our fried egg that I salvaged. Lay it on top of there. And crown that bad boy. Alright. Let me get a few thumbnail shots and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, y'all, there it is. There's that monster of a sandwich. Ooh, that's a breakfast sandwich right there, you guys. Remember, we got a ciabatta roll down here. Let me flip you around so you can see. You got a ciabatta roll right there, ciabatta roll, bun, hash browns, bacon, sausage, scrambled egg, fried egg, cheese everywhere. It's gonna be so messy, but so good, you guys. All right, let's do this. Let's try to get. I don't even know, y'all. Just look at that. Good night. I don't even know, you guys. We're gonna try to do this. Cheers. Just gonna fold that in there like that. That's so good, guys. Got every bit of it there, the bacon, everything. Just look at all that goodness. Guys, this is delicious. I know it's a huge breakfast sandwich. It could be lunch, it could be a brunch, but it's delicious. This is massive, but it's really good. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here at 1984 Barbecue, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that, think about hitting the subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Guys, this one was a fun one. It was quick. It was easy. Oh, man, I love it. Anyways, guys, Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.